Oh god, I thought that was a fucking creeper from Minecraft, bro. Oh god. I'm just okay, well, I guess we're not using that this mission. Me, Stephen Harking. You guys, monkey. Eating a bug. Monkey eating a bug. I think you guys aren't gonna believe me. I think I need to become stupider. Why is he getting stuck, bro? It won't move at all now, bro. Nah, we can do this. It's easy. There's a simple solution to everything. But you know what? At least I have video games. Like, you know, like I may not have sex, but at least I have video games. Okay, come on. That is like, that's lined up, bro. Come on. I'm not taking any chance. I'm just backing off into the river like this. No! Okay, listen. All right, it's close enough. It's close enough. We can just fucking just push it in there. Just push it in there.